Good morning, everyone, and welcome in today's topic. We will try to speak about something very important. Today, I want to talk about my morning routine. My morning routine is very simple, but it helps me start my day in a good way. First, I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Sometimes I feel tired and I want to sleep more, but I try to get up quickly. I think waking up early is important because it gives me more time to prepare for the day. After I wake up, I go to the bathroom, I wash my face and brush my teeth. This helps me feel fresh and awake. Then, I drink a glass of water because it is good for my body. Next, I make my bed. It is a small thing, but it makes my room look clean and organized. When my room is clean, I feel more comfortable and relaxed. Next, I make my bed. It is a small thing, but it makes my room look clean and organized. When my room is clean, I feel more comfortable and relaxed. After that, I go to the kitchen to prepare my breakfast. I usually eat something simple like bread, eggs, or fruit. Sometimes I also drink coffee or tea. Breakfast is very important because it gives me energy for the day. While I eat, I sometimes check my phone or listen to music. It helps me feel calm and happy before I start my work or study. Then, I get dressed. I choose comfortable clothes, especially if I have a long day. If I need to go out, I make sure everything is ready, like my bag, my keys, and my phone. After that, I spend a few minutes planning my day. I think about what I need to do and what is important. This helps me stay organized and focused. Sometimes I also do a little exercise in the morning. It can be stretching or a short walk. It is not long, but it helps my body feel active and strong. Before I leave the house or start working, I take a deep breath and tell myself that it will be a good day. I believe that a positive start can change the whole day. Finally, I begin my day. I feel ready, calm, and motivated. Now, I would also like to talk about my family. My family is very important to me. I live with my parents, and sometimes we spend a lot of time together. They are kind, supportive, and always help me when I need them. In the morning, I usually see my family before I start my day. We say good morning to each other, and sometimes we have breakfast together. These small moments make me feel happy. My parents always ask me about my plans. They like to know what I will do during the day. They also give me advice, and I learn many things from them. In the evening, we often sit together, talk, and laugh. Sometimes we watch TV or share stories about our day. I enjoy these moments because they make me feel relaxed and loved. I think family is very important in life. They support us, care for us, and stay with us in good and bad times. I'm very grateful for my family, and I feel lucky to have them. In conclusion, my morning routine is not difficult, but it is very helpful. It helps me feel better, think clearly, and start my day with energy. Thank you for listening, and tell me in the comments, what is your morning routine?